Okay, teacher's going to explain to you activity 74. It's fractions again, okay? So complete the sums. It is Jason's birthday and he is having a party. How much cake does each friend get? If he divides it equally between 2 friends, 3 friends, 4 friends or 5 friends. Okay, so you must draw each fraction. Okay, so let's do A first. Okay, so he's got 1 cake that he needs to divide between 2 friends. Okay, so remember, if you're going to draw that, draw a circle, okay, and you cut it in 2 pieces, because each friend, there's 2 friends, so you need to divide it into 2 pieces. Okay, so each friend is going to get a half. There's 1 half and there's 1 half. Okay, so each friend is going to get half of the cake. Okay, if you do B, 3 friends. Okay, now you need to divide it into 3 equal pieces. Ooh, that one is not equal. Okay, you divide it into 3 equal pieces. So remember, then you call it a third. So each friend is going to get a third of the cake. Okay, if there's 4 friends for C, you're going to divide it into quarters, into 4 pieces. And each friend is going to get 1/4 of the cake. Okay, and the last one, D, is when you divide it into 5. Okay, then they're each going to get a fifth. Okay, so let's divide this cake into 5 pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then each friend is going to get a fifth. Okay, so for A, you need to divide the cake into halves. So it's 2 pieces because you're sharing it between 2 friends. Then you're sharing it between 3 friends. You divide it into 3 equal parts. Between 4 friends, you divide it into 4 equal parts. Between 5 friends, you divide it into 5 equal parts. So you need to draw your different pictures. Okay. And then at the bottom, I asked Jason has 4 sweets. How many sweets does each friend get if he divides them between? Okay, so you're going to do the same. They give you the 4 sweets. You have to divide it between 2 friends. So you can make groups of 2. Share it between 2 friends. Okay, so each friend is going to get 2 sweets. Okay. If you share it between 4 friends, let me show you on the board. Okay, so teacher drew you the 4 sweets. Okay, so let's go through A again. So if you divide it between 2 friends, okay, you're going to divide it in half. Okay, so the half of 4 you know by now is 2. So if you divide the 4 sweets equally between 2 friends, then each friend is going to get 2 sweets. Okay, if you're going to divide it equally between 4 friends, that's also easy because there's 4 sweets. Okay, then each friend is going to get 1 sweet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but if you have to divide it between 3 friends, that's where it's going to get tricky. Okay, because there's 4 sweets. So you can't just give each of them 1, then there's still 1 sweet left. And you need to divide the 4 sweets equally. Okay, so I know I have showed you something like this before, but let me just show you again. Okay, so if you have to divide it between 4 friends, each friend will, between 3 friends, sorry, each friend is going to get 1 whole sweet. Okay, so you're going to write 1 whole. Okay, because there's for 1, 2, 3. So friend number 1 gets 1 sweet. Friend number 2 gets 1 sweet. Friend number 3 gets 1 sweet. So they each get 1 whole sweet. Then there is 1 sweet left. Okay, so let me show you here at the bottom nicely what you can do with that 1 sweet. Okay, this is the 1 sweet that is left. Okay, the red you can't see nothing. Okay, so there is 3 friends. So you have to divide that 1 sweet between 3 friends. Okay. Then this is for friend number 1, that's for friend number 2, that's for friend number 3. Okay, so they're each going to get one whole sweet. And what do you call one piece of 3 again? A third. Okay, so each friend is going to get one whole and 1/3 of a sweet. Okay, because you have to divide the last sweet equally between the 3 friends. So you divide it into 3 equal pieces. So each friend gets one whole sweet and 1/3 of a sweet. Okay. See you soon. Bye.